We're gonna trim our beard first of all. Trim the beard. First of all, you get the clipper itself, USB charge, but there's an extra USB charger. That's a special one, a special connection. If you can see the 2-prong connection, you get the manual, you get a couple clips. You get clips 1 through 4. You get the charger, mineral oil to oil it up. You get a little brush to clean up it up. And then you get these clippers, but look at this. It's usually 100%. It's 100%. And then the clippers forward and back to clean it up, wireless. So we'll put this to use and see how well it works. All right, now we're gonna cut our hair. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the hardest part right here. Get that little area. So check it out. This is my old one where it has this long line. It wraps around my head. This one, no issues whatsoever. Perfect, loved it. So it's a 95% after cutting my hair. Still gonna trim a little bit more here and there and make sure that I'm missing anything, but I hope you guys enjoy the video.